In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company address on Gusto. If you need to update your business address for payroll, tax records, or general company information, Gusto makes the process pretty straightforward. The key is to make sure every part of the address is entered carefully, since even small errors can affect important documents and filings later on. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the proper admin permissions, since standard access may not allow you to edit company details. Once you're in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your company name. This will open the main menu where your business settings are stored. From there, select Company Details. This is the section where you can manage core information related to your business. Next, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Locations. In this area, Gusto shows the business locations connected to your company profile. If your company only has one location, this step will be simple. If you manage multiple locations, take a moment to choose the correct one before making any updates. After selecting the company location you want to change, click Edit. This will open the location details so you can make changes directly to the address fields. Now update the company address. Enter the correct street address, city, state, zip code, and any other applicable details shown on the page. As you type, be careful with spelling, abbreviations, suite numbers, and postal formatting. It's a good idea to match the address exactly as it should appear on official business records whenever possible. Before saving, review the updated address for accuracy. This is an important step because the information you enter here may be used across payroll and compliance-related areas. Double-check each field to make sure nothing is missing and that the location selected is the right one. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Gusto will then update the company location with the new address information, and that's all it takes to change your company address on Gusto. If you're making this update because your business has moved, it may also be worth reviewing any other company settings that rely on location details, just to keep everything consistent. Thanks for watching.